don't need a website, don't need a credit card, do this from anywhere in the world. And I repeat, applicable worldwide. This is amongst the greatest, coolest and fastest way to make money online. Before we go any further, comment below, give me that money. Also mention your country by saying Nicaragua, Brazil, Cuba, Nigeria, Australia, wherever you're from, represent in the comment below. If this video hits 2,500 likes, I'll do a $250 giveaway, and that's easy PayPal money for you right there. So now you see, by watching my video, you can also start making money online. Cryptocurrencies and other trading instruments are booming today like never before. Today, I will show you how to earn over $400,000 with cryptocurrencies without ever having to invest in cryptocurrencies with a very simple method that will blow your mind away. This is not a get-rich-fast scheme, but when applied over and over again, will lead to results. Learning this method is fast and effective, but you will have to exercise some patience. As the saying goes, Rome was not built in days. Being as rich as Richie Rich is all in the mind. My mom and I grew up in African ghettos and slums, having nothing, using public toilets and sharing bathrooms with over 50 people. Such people usually don't have a future. Today, we have access to high-tech MacBooks, mobile phones, and multimedia like YouTube. So now, you and I have no excuse for not being rich, successful, or happy. Maybe this free and short lesson might lead you to riches. Maybe not. Maybe one of my other lessons might. You never know. You've got to keep trying these simple methods with me. So now, what is cryptocurrency and how does it work? Cryptocurrency is a form of digital payment that can be exchanged online for goods and services. Cryptocurrencies work using a technology called blockchain. Blockchain is a decentralized technology spread across many computers that manages and records transactions. So now, let me show you how you can earn with cryptocurrency without ever having to invest in cryptocurrency. Take Mr. XYZ into consideration. He's very rich and loves to spend his $1 million doing business with digital currency. He comes across your referral at a given place and at a given time. He then does transactions with your referral of about $2 million. Now let's come to you. You had a 20% referral commission, making it $400,000 for you. Disclaimer here, please note, this doesn't come easy. You need to follow all my steps over and over again without skipping any at all. You also have to put in the time. From this point onwards, consider subscribing, turning on your notification, and liking this awesome free tutorial so you will be amongst the first to be notified when such awesome videos are released. Just in case you're wondering who I am, my name is Pete. I own a digital marketing company in Frankfurt, Germany. My passion is e-commerce, investing, making money online, and email marketing. I'm here today to help you make money online. First thing I want you to do, come to Google and type in Coinbase. Right, so you can read a little bit about Coinbase. Here it is. Read all about it. It's a legitimate company. Coinbase is a digital currency exchange headquartered San Francisco, California, United States. Awesome platform. Just click on it and then you go on to their webpage. Buy and sell cryptocurrency. Coinbase is the easiest place to buy and sell cryptocurrencies. Very easy. But hold on, you're not buying and you're not selling. Alright, so just stick with me, I'll show you exactly how. Just take your time, read through, go through the process with me, and when you're done, you can come back and read through as you wish. Alright, cool. So let's keep going. You can create your cryptocurrency portfolio. There it goes. It says recurring buyers. This is awesome for you. You know, people coming back, buying each day, weekly, monthly. So just imagine your referral comes back and buys over and over again, or invests over and over again. You in turn cash money. Alright, so that's very, very important. Could be done with mobile app. It means, you know, working with mobile, people spend money easily. So it's the most trusted cryptocurrency platform. It says it is available in over 100 plus countries. This is awesome. 100+ countries. It means you can get connected in different places and make money. Over 43 million plus verified users. Total volume traded, that is 455 billion plus. It's time to make money. It's up to you. So you scroll down, it's done in a few minutes. You don't have to go and create an account, no, but this is the process. They create an account, they link their bank, they start buying and selling, and you cash money. All I want you to do is scroll over down to company and click affiliates. Alright, so it says become a Coinbase affiliate. Help us introduce the world to Bitcoin, cryptocurrency, and the new financial system. We'll wait. We won't become an affiliate yet. We just want to see how it works. So it says here, become an affiliate. After your application is approved, you get access to promotional assets and impact tracking software. Alright, so it says how to promote Coinbase. It says link to Coinbase in articles, create new content, place ads on your website. Believe me, you don't need a website for this. I'm going to show you exactly how to promote Coinbase without a website. Alright, and without any asset at all. All you need to do is follow my steps, and then you can start earning commissions. Alright, let's go. So it says earn money with Coinbase. When you refer a new customer to Coinbase, you will earn 50% of their fees for the first 3 months. I wouldn't even go for more than 3 months. 3 months is awesome. If you have 5 to 50 customers or referrals, easy money. Cool. So you get direct access to campaigns. You can test campaigns and custom landing pages and so on and so forth. But we're going to go for a shortcut. So it says it's easy to use, it's secure, and trusted. So now all you need to do to become an affiliate right here. So if you already have an account, you log in right here. Otherwise, you start off with your full name, your last name, email address. You can put in your second best email address. Make sure you have access to it. Very, very important. Confirm your email address. Put in your username, your password. Confirm it. Make sure you've written the password, on a notepad or something. Very, very important. And then you can choose your display name, pick a country. As we said earlier, it's over 100 countries out there. Feel free, put in your real street address and your city, your zip code, and if possible, your second best mobile phone number, because you might get calls from different cryptocurrency organizations. Pick your currency right here, your time zone, partner type, just go email. I do that now. If you have a website, you can put in your website right here. If you don't and it's later required, no worry. Just come to my website here, that's Ecomdeed, and then go over to contact. And if you don't know how to build a website, watch a few of my YouTube videos. But if you don't have the time for that, just submit an email and I'll help you out with a website. Easy website and you can get going. No way you're not going to be approved. Check the handbook. You can download it right here, and when you're done, you sign up for free. Alright, so after registration, be sure to receive an application or a confirmation email that will look like this. All you need to do is verify your email and you're good to go. Alright, so if you followed all the instructions I taught in this lesson, get to a page like this, and this is your back end. So your dashboard, and start working here. Just read through all this. Just go below and say approve the contract and want to continue. Alright, you can read through all this. Alright, cool. So that's it. You now have your account and you can start making money with it. Your application is done. All you need to do is wait for your approval. So as I already said, Rome wasn't built in days. To make so much money, you need to have some patience. Alright, just follow the next step. What is coming up next is you're gonna get the referral links, and they'll certainly be long. So you need to shorten it. So now I want you to go up into your browser and type in link.711.com and press enter. Now you come to this link shortening tool. Alright, so when you're here on this homepage, all you need to do is register. So you need to get started. You need to register an account on this page before you can start using the link shortener. The reason is, I'll show you why. The links are very, 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 very short. So it has to be as short as possible so we reach this goal. Alright, so just come in, fill in your details. I've already done that, so I'll just log into my dashboard so you see how it is. This is my dashboard. All you need to do, paste your long link right here and you get a shortened one. So I need a short version, so I need to find a link. So all you need to do is get to your dashboard, paste your link right here. Now you can just shorten it, right? So just shorten, and this is your awesome shortened link. Copy that and save that in a notepad. All right, awesome. These are the next steps. So as I already said, you need to advertise your link. Now we're going to take free ad. You don't have to pay a dime for this. If you had a website, you don't have traffic. No one will come to your website and start, using your link. All right. So now we need to get to a forum. All right. In this forum, just go to bitcointalk.org. And when you're here, you see so many posts in here. Millions of posts. There we go. All you need to do is just scroll down, just read through a bit, get some information. You could register. Just go in and see. All right. So let's go into the Bitcoin discussion, for example. So we scroll down and so many pages, 1,300 pages. That's a lot. Right here, let's just pick any. So this has 600,000 views. Let's go in there and see what's happening. So you can go create GIFs and post them in here, but I wouldn't post links in the very beginning. Take your time, start conversations, and then read through, who wants to sell, who wants to buy, what are the main topics, right? So there aren't any links in here. All right, guys, so now I have a little bonus strategy on how to deal with your links. All right, either you create a GIF placing your link in there, but written. So you write it as 4pm.me and 7av, for example, whatever your short link is. All right, you could call yourself on this platform. See, they got different names right here. So you can call yourself 4pm.me and then / whatever your number is. You can create a profile image like he has here, right here. So like he has right here, and then you place your link in there, right? So you have to try different methods. I can't tell you now if you get banned or, for trying to post your links in such forums, but you got to give it a try. For example, this image right here, or for example, right here, they have some letters in there. So you can just go 4pm and then *me, and then right here, so 4pm up here, and then *me / 7av right here. And you can make lots of noise. You just write in there and say, check my profile image. All right, in your browser, for example. So you start a conversation. That's how you can deal with links in forums. All right, in some forums you can go in and paste an image. You can post an image in there, and then the image will be they got a hamburger right here. People do advertise in these platforms as well. Yeah, so I haven't found any image right here, but yeah, you just get creative and start making money. Look, all these images right here. Just create an image that has your link in there. Very, very important. I can say you can start making money. Let me go back. Did I see a link right here? I don't know how they post their links, so you have to give it a try. If you get banned, all you need to do is create a new account and start advertising again. Yeah, so as you see, I'm fishing. I'm seeing what's possible. I'm doing this with you right now. So yeah, you need to put in the effort. Oh, for example, look at this right here. So you can actually go in here, post your link on an image. All right, so the web page right here, for example, like this, have an image like this and put your link right here as well. So these are tips on how to really use such platforms. Yeah, you have to be ready to make money. If possible, if you don't have the time, let your brother, sister, let someone else do it for you. But there's no excuse. All right, so here we go. We have an image. Someone has really posted an image right here. So get creative, post images, and place your links in the image. It says source right here. So this is a short link. I'm going to just try and see where we're going to land. This is a shortened link. Let's try it. Let's see what's coming up. Alright, so this leads to an image. Alright, so do get creative. It looks like you can post links in this forum. Give it a try and you're ready to go. Alright, so good luck. Make that money. See you soon.